This video highlights the changes we have made to MoversSuite at version 2017 R12. When you import revenue from local services, a new option is now available to you. On the Import Actuals dialog, the Import Revenue As option allows you to choose whether to import labor and hourly equipment as a single revenue item or as individual items. The first option is the default and is how the system processed the import prior to this release. When the application encounters multiple items of the same service code, it combines them into a single transaction item. The second import option also combines items into a single entry provided they are the same rate. If a different rate, either regular, overtime, or double time, is encountered for the same service code, then the application creates multiple items for each different rate encountered. In this example, revenue imports for the same service code under two separate items based on a rate of $35 and on a rate of $50. This corresponds to the regular rate and the overtime rate established within the rate plan. There can be up to 3 separate listings, one for each rate type. Also with this release, revenue associated to hourly equipment imports as a separate transaction item. And another new feature is that when the local service items import, the work ticket number is included in the group title. And the date of the service prepends the service description. This allows you to view and sort by the date of service. Your company can split the commission received by the salesperson based on the account profile on the order. In Account Profile Setup, on the Order Defaults tab, you can add personnel to split with the person specified as a salesperson. When adding splits, the list includes active employees that are commissionable. In other words, they are assigned a commission plan within their personnel setup record. The percentage is the amount of the salesperson's commission that they receive when the commissions are created. For example, if you wish this coordinator to receive 1.5% of the salesperson's commission, then set this field to 1.5. In order for this functionality to work, the salesperson specified on the profile must be assigned as a salesperson on the order, and the profile itself must be set for the order as well. When correctly set up and a commission generates for the salesperson, either manually or automatically, the commission is split according to what is specified on the account profile. In this example, the salesperson commission is split out to team members for an additional 1 and 2%. You can view the details of the split by editing the item. If you need to make corrections, you can do so through the Edit Revenue Commission screen. Again, in order for this functionality to work, the salesperson on the order must also belong to the account profile on the order, and the sales team personnel must all be commissionable. Employees receiving the commission do not have to be participants on the order. When setting up the field requirements, you can now reference 6 additional fields. They include the shipper email, lead source, discounted line haul, logistics coordinator, salesperson, and service type. Within MoversSuite, these fields are referenced through the Name, Address, Phone tab and through the Move Information tab. In Local Dispatch, whether the date range is set or not, you can access the Add button to create a new service. Prior to this release, you had to specify a service date range before the Add button became available. The Work Ticket Report has been updated to no longer display the dispatch note. With recent changes to display service instructions, the dispatch note no longer is needed to provide additional information. Also affecting the Work Ticket Report is the expansion of the branch title to display up to 255 characters. Prior to this release, only 50 characters were available. The branch title is found when adding or editing branch address records within the branch setup. Not only is the Work Ticket Report affected, but any report or screen that references the branch address is affected, including invoices. Specifically on standard invoices, the header and remit to addresses display the branch title. Please read more about these changes through the online help for MoversSuite at version 2017 R12. Thank you.